Hello sweet friends, today we're headed to Hobby Lobby for some sneak peek autumn previews for fall 2026. I love these floral pillow pumpkins that Hobby Lobby has. I actually kind of want to put them on my bed. I feel like they would be really cute as part of a pillow arrangement on a bed. Hobby Lobby has a couple really yummy fall candle options and fragrances. They also have some really cute candle designs like these taper candles with the design in them, as well as the pine cone ones, and they even had little pumpkin shaped candles. Candied ginger, fresh nutmeg, buttered maple, cinnamon sticks, stewed apple, vanilla bean, and brown sugar. How does it smell?
That smells good.
It smells good. Compare it to this one, buttery pumpkin.
I feel like this one's a bit better.
Oh, it's this one. It's the same buttery pumpkin smell. Did you smell that one? How's it smell?
It smells good. I still like this one better.
Hobby Lobby also has lots of fall craft ideas for kids or adults. If you're going to be doing any holiday hosting or fall events, or even something that the kids can just make over their summer break, and it can keep them occupied while getting ready for fall at the same time, and they can kind of craft and create and DIY some fun projects. Some really cute stuff for kids, or if you're hosting Thanksgiving or really any fall event like the placemats the kids can color. I love that. Renee really likes doing these diamond sticker art projects, and they had a pretty wreath one, and they also have this other floral one that's just on like a canvas style, and that's the one she chose to get. Hobby Lobby also has some really cute fall travel cups and mugs. Some have lids, some are microwave or dishwasher safe. Just some really fun, festive fall cups and mugs. They also have pretty wooden napkin rings, sunflower napkin rings, pumpkin napkin rings, as well as a variety of fall placemats like these metallic leaf shape ones. These are really pretty. They have some different fall dishes and servingware and a variety of table runners, so you can create the perfect look for your autumn hosting or Thanksgiving tablescape and centerpiece this fall. Hobby Lobby also had some really cute kitchen drying mats for dishes. So let me know while you're watching, do you use drying mats for dishes in your kitchen? The cutest little sponges. Oh my goodness.
These are so cute.
And to go with your candles, they also have a variety of candle holders, taper candle holders, glass candle holders, battery candles as well. These little battery votive candles. They've got battery little sunflower LED lights Kylie really liked that you could just string into a room or in a table somewhere. They've got different types of lanterns, some that have the battery LED candles already in them, some that you could add your own. Just such a fun variety. Kylie really liked the Snoopy falling leaves and pumpkins please flag here. And then we found a pumpkin teapot with a little checkered pumpkin plate as well. So this is kind of unique. Hobby Lobby has these little fall ornaments actually, and they look like gold framed fall artwork with like these little autumn prints and pictures. So you could definitely make something like this from Dollar Tree, but I think with the 40% off, these just come out to a few dollars each. So it might actually be cheaper to just buy them than trying to buy the frame and the velvet hanger and then print your own photo. But if you already have little picture frames, you could definitely do something like this at home. How cute are the little fluffy cows here? They also had the little pilgrim people, and we did see some mushroom decor and owl decor for fall, as well as lots of pumpkins, sweater weather mugs, super cute. And I do really like the family and friends pumpkin everything, that tower of mugs. So that's really cute if you want to be able to have a variety of fall mugs, but you want them to somewhat coordinate and match and be able to just stack neatly in a space so they take up less counter space. I think this would be a great option. They had some of these wheat arrangements as well as some really large bows. These would probably be great to even put outdoors. Outside the house, they're really big, maybe to put on the front door instead of a fall wreath. They had so many scarecrows and so many types of pumpkins, as well as lots of little word art signs like grateful, thankful, things like that, candle holders, and then this white arrangement with the cream ivory, and also it's got a mix of like taupe and brown in there with just like the fall wheat and berries, pumpkins, and pine cones. This is really pretty arrangement. And then I really liked these glazed ceramic candle holders as well. So you can put a real or artificial candle in there, like a battery candle. And then Hobby Lobby has a good variety of different fall florals. And so I was kind of looking to find some burgundy. I found some of these purpley colored leaves, and they also had some cream, like these little berries. I don't know what they're supposed to be, but there was like a cream and a mustard color berry, but I couldn't find a whole lot of the actual like burgundy color I was looking for. So I don't know if they'll be bringing more out and they just don't have it yet, or if they're just not carrying that many burgundy flowers this year. They did have a good variety of the oranges and beige and tan though, whether you want bright orange or you want more of like a mustard yellow color or more of like a rust burnt orange tone. They did have a good variety for that. They also have some bakeware accessories if you want some cute little spoons for your coffee bar, maybe some fun spatulas for your fall baking. And then these dishes are so pretty. I ended up coming back to them and I think I'm going to pick them up. I really wish I could find them in an actual dinner plate size. They only had them in the salad plate size in this color. Again, lots of fall artwork. They had a whole section in the aisle for different fall canvases and framed wall art. So if you're looking to swap out some of the decor around your home seasonally, they have some beautiful options and some beautiful charger plates as well for your table. I might have forgotten to mention that before, but definitely some nice charger plates. Some that are very fall, that are the fall colors, copper, rust. They have maybe leaf patterns and prints on them. And then And I got some other ones that are a gold color. I think I'd be able to use them for like any season, really, just depending what you're putting together and coordinating. And of course, moving into the living room, they have lots of throw blankets and throw pillows that would be really pretty to just decorate and elevate your space for fall. And if you do a fall tree, I wanted to mention that they have a whole aisle that has lots of fall garlands as well as fall floral picks, which are going to be great whether you're crafting and making wreaths or floral arrangements, or in particular, I love them if you are doing a fall tree to stick in all the fall floral and pumpkin and berry picks. It really just makes it feel like fall, more so than the ornaments, I feel like. So doing a fall tree, I love using ribbons and pumpkins and like all those little fall picks more than the ornaments. But anyway, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this shop with me in Hobby Lobby. I hope it's given you some fun ideas and inspiration for your own home decorating for this coming fall season of autumn 2026. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye!